Hi ladies, welcome back. I'm Rosenda, and today I'm going to be sharing my summer morning routine with you. The first thing I like to do every morning when I wake up is make my bed. Now, I'm a mom and a wife, and I have a lot to do in my day, so the best thing I can do is make my bed first thing before I do anything else. Next, I head into the bathroom and brush my teeth along with doing my skincare routine, washing my face, moisturizing, and this is a little bit of my skincare routine. I do have a video on that I will link down below if you want to see my whole routine, but I love this skincare set by Mary Kay. Then I head into the kitchen and prepare myself a lemon water drink that helps my digestion in the morning. Then it's time to make breakfast for the family. This is our first meal of the day together. This is a time when my husband and my daughter and I come together to eat a meal, and so we love this time, and it's usually kind of rushed, but we try to make the best of it. And then I will do dishes really quickly before we run out the door. Since we are a one-car family, this is a time when I take my husband to work so that I can have the car for the rest of the day. During this time, my husband and I talk and I check my social media. And on my way back driving home, I love to listen to podcasts and take time to pray. Then I get home and I change into my workout clothes and start to work out. It's very important that I do some sort of cardio or walking routine because I do drive a lot. I need to improve my circulation. It gives me energy and it makes me feel great for the rest of the day. Now is the time when I get ready for the day, and I love putting my makeup on. It's that time of the day where I get to just sit and relax and feel beautiful. I style my hair and add my last minute accessories such as jewelry, and right now I'm really loving lip gloss in the summer. It's so low maintenance and it's just really quick and easy, and this color I'm using right now is one of my favorites. It's called Hot Pink, and I will be linking all of the products I mentioned in this video down below. And now I'm dressed and ready for the day, and I'm wearing one of my summer 10 item wardrobe outfits. I then go into the living room and put on the radio so we can hear some classical music. My daughter and I come together in the kitchen. I love to light a candle and take this time to set the atmosphere as my daughter and I come together and meet for some table time. Right now in the summer, table time consists of reading. I take time to read the Bible. I also do read aloud with my daughter. Recently, we've been reading The Island of the Blue Dolphins, and we absolutely love it. My daughter is in high school, homeschool, and we are taking a little break right now to relax and enjoy the summer. It's very important for me to stay organized and look at my daily planner every day. This is a time when I write everything that I'm doing for the day and for the week. I also look over my menu plans, shopping list, and videos that I will be creating and blog posts I'll be writing. because my daughter and I get home really late in the evenings with her ballet academy, I have to prepare a dinner for us because I don't have time to cook one at home. By this time in the morning, we are a little hungry, so I prepare us a little snack. Lately, we've been really enjoying smoothies. My daughter and I love to enjoy smoothies in the late afternoon also, so I can pop this in a cup and take it on the go when we're on our way to ballet in the afternoon. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my morning. Thank you for watching my summer morning routine. I hope it gave you a little glimpse into my morning. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for videos like this and even more, and I will see you again in my next video.